Everyone, what's up? Trust me, you don't want to miss this out. I've teamed up with Betopper, the pros behind some cool DJ lightning, and today we put into the test one of the latest moving headlights. Let's go! What we get in the box? We get the headlights, we get the manual. I love manuals. We also get a tiny DMX cable. Whoop. It's fucking you definitely need a bigger one. Power cable, very tiny as well, and a bracket to put the headlight on the ceiling or on the walls. First impressions, this is very good quality. It's just sturdy, it's so powerful. If I stay like this for 2 minutes, I'll burn, no jokes. I don't know how to do these videos. Alright, let's take a look to what this light can do. We have 3 modes that we're gonna take a look today: DMX, Auto, and Sound mode. If you throw pump parties or you want easy setups like I do, hassle-free, you will run this on Sound mode. Basically, Sound mode is gonna react to what you need to put in OK, and it's gonna react to the sound. In this case, I'm just tapping. All you need is to find the right sensitivity. Go down here, sensitivity. I have it on 31 at the moment, and it works the best for my setup. If you're a pro, you'll probably run this light in DMX mode. With this mode, you need the right software and interface, so you can actually be free with this. You can do anything in your mind with this light in DMX mode. Some softwares are gonna allow you to use all the functions in this light, but some other softwares might be a little bit more limited. Now, we also have an auto mode. Alright, it's just a look. I mean, it's cool, but it has a little more usage than just checking what this light can do. Now let me show you how easy it is to set this up. It's very straightforward. I have 2 lights in this case, and yes, we can sync them to do the exact same thing at the same time. So they are both plugged in. Let's turn that on. We need to decide which mode we are gonna use. In this case, this is my master light. So I go to fixture, run mode, and I put this on sound mode because I want this light to detect the sound. So sound mode, ready and working. Now we need to turn the other one on. We need to plug the DMX cable. So the light that has sound detection, we want to plug the DMX out. So we go back to the light that we want to sync, and this time we put the DMX cable, we put it on the DMX in, and as soon as it makes contact, it's gonna sync. So this light has to be on DMX mode. You might find yourself that your lights are both looking to the same direction. Mine are inverted, so I'm gonna show you quickly how to do this. So you need to go to the menu in one of the lights, and you need to change all these settings. By default, they are closed. You need to open them. Open and open. So basically, for all those DJs watching, we got all the control to sync this light to our music. And for everyone else, trust me, this is the light that makes any party feel like a festival. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I kind of wish I could have this like a couple of years ago, but now they're here, and they're here to stay because they're amazing. If you want to get yours right now is the right time. Betopper is offering some discounts, so go now down to the description in the link. Get your light. Who doesn't want one of these ones? I'll see you guys on my next video. Friday DJ set as always. Ciao ciao.